Hello everybody and welcome to Swartkop Country Club for your weekly tip with me, Coach Corneille. Today we're going to be running through a few basics when it comes to your short game. I'm looking at those chip shots around the green where a lot of you are struggling, and it's not always that we have the worst technique. It might just be that the basic fundamentals are out of place. So two things I want you to focus on for this week would be ball position number one, and the other thing you need to focus on is your weight when you start the address position at chipping. So for number one, ball position, get the ball in the middle of your stance, just like that, opening up your address position slightly and then keeping 60% of the weight on the front foot. With this, I keep those two consistencies in place just to help me create a bit more consistency when it comes to hitting the golf ball. I see a lot of people trying to lift the golf ball with the hands, and that's causing a lot of those gum shots where it runs forever or goes uncontrollably far. So I want you to create some consistency. Ball position number one. Number two, 60% of the weight on the front foot, keep it there, and then from there you just generate your angle into the golf ball. The weight on the left foot is a nice way to create that angle into the golf ball that you're looking for. We're not trying to lift the ball with the hands, we're trying to hit into the golf ball, creating that height. Okay, hope this has helped you, and I'm looking forward to hearing from all of you soon. Have a blessed week everybody. Cheers.